Yan. It's recording in 3.
Teka.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma! We love you. Namimiss ko na yung mga gimmick namin magkakapatid tuwing Mother's Day. O kaya taon-taon na may okasyon, ganun. Palagi kami ma-surprise sa'yo. Di ba namimiss yun, syempre. Namimiss na rin namin na sinusurpresa ka namin. We love you.
Love you, Ma. Thank you.
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa maikling video na present namin. Okay yan. Love you. No. Love you. No.
Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ching chang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ching chang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ching chang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ching chang, walla walla bang bang.
Okay. Recording. Recording ah. Game. Lights. Camera. Take 2. Take 3 na kaya.
Okay.
Action.
Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. This is our first video, and you better watch it.
You better watch it.
You better watch it. You better watch it, and you better watch it. So you better watch it now. Watch it. Okay. Hello, Mother. Magandang
Hello.
umaga, magandang gabi, at magandang tanghali sa'yo.
Kung ano man ang panahon.
Lagi kaming nandito, inaabangan yung pagbalik nyo. Miss na namin kayo, Mother.
Oh, Ma. Love you.
Love you, Mother. Seryoso.
Ay, okay. Nandito po kami sa pagkainan ng pag may mga okasyon. May okasyon ngayon, di ba? Mother's Day. Hindi ko. Okay. Uy,
Ay!
bigyan mo naman si Mama.
Happy Mother's Day, Mother.
Huwag mong pagalitan.
Hindi ko pinapagalitan. Happy Mother's Day, Mother.
Huwag mong ligawan.
Mother, Happy Mother's Day. Ano naman?
Ma. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day, Ma.
Huwag mong pagalitan nga eh.
Ginagaya mo ng style ko eh. Ito.
Ulit, sige.
Ma, Happy Mother's Day.
Ano yan?
Bakit?
Parang pare. Ma, Happy Mother's Day. Ano eh? Ulitin mo yung sweet.
Mother's Day!
Huwag kang bumulong yung sweet nga.
Sweet.
Yan.
Okay.
Anyways, Mother. Happy Mother's Day.
At may nanda kaming isang magandang sorpresa para sa'yo.
Pakita na natin.
Tumayo ka na.
Let's go.
In 3, 2, 1, secret.
Diba?
Tcharan!
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's
D.
D.
Happy Mother's
D. D.
D.
D-A-Y.
Love you.
D-Y. Ma, salamat sa lahat. Thank you for everything.
In English, salamat sa lahat. In Tagalog, salamat sa lahat.
Ha!
Love you, Mother. We miss you both. Bye-bye.
Superman.
Pahabol. Ayos naman pala yung work ko, Mother. Nag-enjoy ako dun. Okay naman. Miss you.
Ako rin, yung work ko, ang galing. Sumweldo na nga rin.
Mabili na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Higher than the sky above you, clearer than blue, brighter than the rays of sunshine, warmer than what you feel, more than all the wonders you see. It's the most wonderful thing.
Ma. Happy Mother's Day to you. I hope we could do more, but I think for now this is the best we can do for you. We wish you the best and we love you. I love you so much. And I'd like to show you, and I know this is familiar to you, but I'd like to give it to you again. So wish hard, wish hard, wish hard. There. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, I know you know this thing. It's your sign. It's the rabbit sign. And I'd like to tell you also na yung pamilya natin hindi magiging somewhat successful kung hindi dahil sa iyo. You are the unifying factor sa pamilya natin. You make the right connections. You see to it that each one is doing their best and they're okay. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko lang talaga gagawin ko kung wala ka sa buhay ko. I love you. And eto pa, may flowers. Remember these flowers, huh? Yan, we got it from Costco kanina. So it's for you. Happy Mother's Day. I love you so much. Wishing you the very best. I love you.
Amazingly seen, watch the colors of the rainbow. It's a miracle you see, more than all the wonders can be. But there's more than that. One love, I love you so. Love is the beautiful one. I love you so.